The next option in the WordPress admin panel is Tools. From the tools we can export data, import data, check site health, export personal data, erase personal data. Here in the import, if we want to import data from Blogger, we will install this and we would be able to import post, comments and user from the Blogger. Next we have export, and from the export we can export all the contents, only posts, pages, landing pages, templates or media. So we would select any one of them and click on that download export file. Then we have a site health, and from here we can check the site health. We can export our personal data and erase our personal data from here. The next option is update setting, and from the setting we can change the site title, line of a website, and from here we can change the WordPress address and site address. It will crash your website. In the next tutorial I will teach you the method of changing this address. We can change the administrator email, and for membership we can check this and anyone would be able to register to our website. It should be subscriber, doesn't change it to administrator, otherwise anytime the new user would be able to remove you from the site. And from here we can set the time format, and after making all these changes click on that save changes. The next option is for update writing, and from here we can set default category. I would set it to web development, and the default post format I would like to set it to the standard one, and this is a setting for email server. We will check it later, and after making these changes click on save changes. The next option is the reading, and from here we can select the home page, and whether we can select your latest post or a static page. Home page will be home and the post page will be blog. And from here we can select the blog page post. It should show 10 posts, and for each post in the fields include full text or excerpt. We will set it to excerpt, and this is for search user visibility. As our site is on a local host, there is no need to check or uncheck this box. Then there is a discussion, and from here we can set the discussion rules for comments and the avatar of user. I am not interested in this. And from here, from the media tab, we can set the width and height and max width and height of the media. Then the most important option in the setting is update permalinks, and from here we can set the link of post. So I would like to change it to post name, and it will be like website address, and after that we will have a post name. And from here we can set category base and tag base. After making all these changes, we will click on that save button. In privacy, we can select privacy page. I have deleted this page. Clicking on that create button, we would be able to create any privacy page. And then I will click on that publish button, and our privacy page will be published. Then select the privacy page and click on this use this page, and we will have that privacy page on the website now. And from the collapse menu we can collect the menu or toggle the menu.